Hi, this is Glenn. I'm the webmaster for cayennepepper.info. Thank you for dropping by. I'd like to talk about some of the health benefits of cayenne pepper in this video. Most people prefer kind of a show and tell type of presentation. With the web, now that we have the advent of Web 2.0 with video and more, songs and sounds and a full multimedia presentation, I should say. It seems to be much more desirable than just straight text, so I've decided to add some video to this. Some people prefer just the text, some people prefer the show and tell, a video, that type of thing, but so I thought it couldn't hurt to add both. So, let me get to it. I'm a great believer in the medicinal herb cayenne pepper. I've been using it for years, and it's a fantastic herb with a myriad number of health benefits, which some of its core benefits I'd like to go over here in this video. I won't go over all of them, however, because most of them you'll see here on the page, but I do want to go over some of the key benefits, and so let's get started. One of the main benefits of cayenne pepper is, besides its traditional culinary uses, is it's fantastic for your heart. Heart disease is the #1 killer in America, and across the pond in England it's also a significant killer as well. The herb, once it's taken internally, it immediately equalizes the blood pressure in the system, immediately and instantly nourishes the heart, and then it extends its influence outward to the capillaries and arteries and so forth. And it's just it's fantastic for the venous structure at large. And if it had no other benefit than that benefit of its fantastic positive influence to the heart, it would be well worth it. And it is, by the way, very inexpensive. You can buy it at any health food store, of course, but you can certainly buy it in your local grocery store, because it's thought to be only a condiment or a spice for hot dishes used in Asian and Hispanic cooking, but it's so much more than that. Some of the other health benefits of cayenne pepper are that it helps to regress hemorrhoids. It helps, because that's not surprising, because it's so helpful to for the venous structure, with helping clean the blood of mucus and helping to reduce the size of or shrink hemorrhoids with blood vessels and so forth, the blood vessels that are there. In addition, it's also good for eliminating varicose veins, which again, part of the venous structure, not a surprise there. Cancer cells have also been shown to be destroyed by cayenne pepper. In a medical research study conducted that I read, and you can find more information about this on my website, the prostate cancer cells were found to be eliminated by cayenne, which is obviously very promising. In addition to that, cayenne is actually very healing to the stomach. It can heal and nourish the stomach while helping to eliminate ulcers. It's great for eliminating ulcers in the throat as well as the mouth. Contradictory information would seem to suggest that due to the heat of the cayenne pepper, or as capsicum as it's sometimes referred to, that would not be possible, but it's actually so. I prefer actually something. I had a few ulcers in my life because of various bosses I've had, but one of the things that I've found is very soothing to the stomach is slippery elm, but that's another video, I suppose, for another day. In addition to that, cayenne pepper is also it helps to improve the peristaltic action of the intestines. It helps to aid in the assimilation of nutrients for optimal benefit, and it helps to actually minimize. It's not the only cure, but it's part of a cure for eliminating migraine headaches. In addition to that, it helps in the prevention and treatment of blood clots. It helps to eliminate cholesterol in the system. If you're an athlete and you're looking for that edge to improve your endurance, cayenne pepper might be that tipping point which helps you accelerate your athletic performance. Even if you're not an athlete, cardiovascular fitness is certainly something you should think about. And some of the other benefits are it's excellent for rheumatism, pleurisy. It helps to rebuild the liver. If you have somewhat of a necrotic liver, it helps to facilitate the rebuilding of liver tissue. It's excellent for the kidneys. It's also it stimulates uh, not just digestion, but it stimulates elimination. And in fact, if you take it with more than 20 grams or 1 ounce, it can significantly stimulate elimination. In addition, some of the other benefits are that it can actually loosen up tumors, especially used when it's as a poultice. It can also be used as a poultice for rheumatism and other issues of that nature. In addition, cayenne is also excellent for treating wounds. If you can put it on a wound that's bloody, it will not only disinfect it with its antibacterial qualities, but it will also help to stanch the blood flow immediately and stop the bleeding. I personally have witnessed that. In addition to that, cayenne pepper can actually eliminate or immediately stop a heart attack from happening. If you can get the heart attack victim to drink some cayenne pepper water, it will stop it, or at least take a teaspoon of a cayenne pepper tincture. It's also, cayenne pepper is used with some ointments as a muscle relaxant. Again, a personal testimony of that. I've seen that many times with my own health. I've played various sports on a recreational level, like softball, for example, and I've pulled muscles here and there, and I rub some of it on my my affected area, and it helps to soothe it significantly. Some of the other benefits of cayenne, or capsicum again as it's referred to, uh, it helps with easing toothaches. If you put some of it on the tooth or near the gums, it can help to not only heal the gums, but it can help with eliminating the pain of the toothache. Uh, it helps to prevent, obviously, I'm not sure how to say this, um, pyorrhea. It's spelled Pyorrhea. I have some notes here prepared for this. So it's excellent for the gums. In addition to that, it's an excellent remedy if you have a cold or the flu or influenza. If you drink it, it will help to minimize the effects of that flu. In addition to that, if you happen to have a sore throat or some spasmodic coughs, it's an excellent antispasmodic herb. So those are some of the main benefits of cayenne pepper. In closing, if you remember nothing else from this video, remember how beneficial and tremendous cayenne pepper is for your heart and for your venous structure. It helps eliminate cholesterol, helps to strengthen the heart. Even if it did just those two things, it would be a tremendously beneficial herb, but it does so much more. Okay, that should be it for now. Thanks for visiting. I hope you'll explore the rest of this site. You can look on the navigation bar, which is to the left of this video, and explore some of the other articles regarding cayenne pepper or capsicum. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you dropping by. Take care.